At some point, life will break you. Not a little, not gently. It will take everything you thought you were and scatter it across the floor. Plans collapse. Dreams fall silent. Confidence disappears. And in that moment, you face a choice. Will this be the end of your story or the beginning of something stronger? Because here's the truth no one prepares you for. Falling isn't failure. Staying down is. You lost something, a job, a relationship, time, belief in yourself. And maybe the hardest part isn't what you lost. It's who you became when it happened. Tired, disconnected, doubtful. But listen carefully. You are not broken. You are becoming. Rebuilding yourself isn't about going back to who you were. That version didn't survive the storm. Rebuilding is about deciding who you choose to become next. Stronger boundaries, sharper focus, deeper discipline. The comeback version of you doesn't beg life for mercy. They build anyway. Rebuilding starts quietly. It starts with one decision. I'm not done. One workout when motivation is gone. One page read when your mind feels heavy. One small win that reminds you you still have control. Momentum doesn't come from confidence. Confidence comes from momentum. You won't feel ready. You won't feel strong. You'll feel uncomfortable. Good. That discomfort is proof you're growing again. This is the season where discipline replaces motivation, where habits matter more than hype, where consistency beats talent. Rebuilding requires honesty. You must face the parts of you that need work, the excuses you hid behind, the comfort zones that kept you small. No blame, no shame, just responsibility, because the moment you take ownership is the moment you take your power back. Some days, progress will feel invisible. You'll wonder if it's worth it, if you're too far behind, if the damage is permanent. It's not. Growth is happening beneath the surface, just like roots before the tree rises. Trust the process you committed to. Rebuilding also means letting go. Let go of who you used to be. Let go of people who only knew the old version of you. Let go of timelines that no longer serve you. You are not late. You are being prepared. This is how resilience is forged, not in comfort, not in applause, but in silence, in repetition, in choosing yourself every single day. And one day, you'll look back at this season and realize this is where everything changed. You didn't just survive the fall. You learned how to stand again, how to rebuild stronger, how to rise with purpose. And the version of you that comes out of this won't be shaken by setbacks again, because now you know, no matter how hard life hits, you know how to rise.